How to download Blender for Windows 10 and 11. Now, as you can see, I am actually still on Windows 10, but this is literally the same as for Windows 11. So if this video is helpful, then please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So what I simply did was search for Blender, and then here you will get to the blender.org page, and right over here you can already see download. And when I click on there, this will bring you over to this page. Now here you can click on download. By the way, if you do have something else like Mac or Linux, then you can also click on here. But I'll just go ahead and download the installer. Then it will now download, and I'll just have to wait for this to install. It's only a couple of seconds. And there you go. I can now click on here, and I will open up the installer. So it says, welcome to the Blender setup. Simply click on next. Now here you have to agree to all of this, or else you can click on next. So click on there. Then this is basically how the folder will look like. And this is the location. Now you can actually change it by clicking on browse. Then you can go ahead and choose where else you would like to save it, like in, for example, in the D folder or whatever. But I just recommend to leave it as it is. So then click on next, and there you go. You can now click on install. And so here is the status, and I will probably speed this up a little, and then I'll get back to you. And there you go. We can now click on finish, and that is basically it. Now if we can go back, it should show up right over here on our home screen, or else simply search for Blender, and then it should show up in here as well, right over there, as you can see. So I'll just double click on here. I'll open it up, and just to show you guys. And there we go. We're now inside of Blender, as you can see, and we can now move around like this. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.